Police car light Man United Racing Santander star Jorge Salinas. Fire Red Devils target Spanish left back. Manchester United Racing Santander left back Jorge Salinas. Police fire. Manchester United are reportedly exploring a move for Racing Santander's young left back Jorge Salinas, as the Red Devils continue their search for defensive reinforcements ahead of the new season. The 19-year-old Spanish defender has attracted attention after an impressive campaign with Racing Santander and has reportedly emerged as one of Manchester United's options for the left-back position. United's need in that area has become more obvious following Tyrell Malacia's departure, while Luke Shaw remains the club's senior natural option at left-back. Manchester United had previously been strongly linked with Newcastle United's Lewis Hall, but Newcastle have made it clear that Hall is not for sale this summer. That situation has encouraged United to consider alternative targets, with Salinas emerging as one of the younger options. Reports have suggested that Salinas has a €16 million release clause, making him a potentially much cheaper option compared with some of United's other targets. Barcelona have also shown interest, but reports indicate that the Spanish club have been reluctant to meet the full clause. However, there is an important twist. Racing Santander manager Jose Alberto has publicly pushed back against the transfer speculation, with reports saying that Salinas is committed to the club and does not currently want to leave. That means Manchester United may still have work to do if they want to bring the highly rated youngster to Old Trafford. For United, the potential move would fit their reported strategy of adding young, high-potential players, while also addressing the immediate need for greater depth at left-back. But at this stage, fans should remember one thing. This is a transfer rumor, not a confirmed Manchester United signing. No completed deal has been officially announced. So, will Jorge Salinas become the next young Spanish talent to arrive at Old Trafford? Or will Racing Santander keep their promising left-back for another season? Manchester United fans will be watching this story very closely. Red Fire.